Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the 10 biggest medical companies in India. Before starting, please like, comment and share the video. Subscribe my channel. And also please press the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications of my videos. So let's get started. This video is going to be very informative. So please watch it till the end. Number 10. Alkem Laboratories Limited. On number 10, we are having Alkem Laboratories Limited. The company is working since 1973. The founder of Alkem is Mr. Samprada Singh and its head office is in Mumbai. Clavon, Liverb, Pregacam and A to Z are some of the biggest selling products of this company. It has been awarded as India's best workplaces in biotechnology and pharmaceuticals in the year 2020. 15,000 employees are working in the company. Number 9. Cadila Healthcare Limited. On number 9, we are having Cadila Healthcare Limited. The company is working since 1952. The founder of this company is Mr. Rambhai B. Patel and its head office is in Ahmedabad. Lipaglyn, Lavode, Oxygen and Zycopdi are some of the biggest selling products of this company. It has been awarded as Best Leadership Award and Best Employer Brand Award by CMO Asia in the year 2019. 25,000 employees are working in this company. Number 8. Lupin Limited. On number 8, we are having Lupin Limited. The company is working since 1968. The founder of this company is Dr. Deshbandhu Gupta and its head office is in Mumbai. Softovac, Corkal and Misobit are some of the biggest selling products of this company. It has been awarded as Par Excellence Award by the Quality Circle Forum of India in the year 2020. 21,000 employees are working in this company. Number 7. Torrent Pharmaceuticals Limited. On number 7, we are having Torrent Pharmaceuticals Limited. The company is working since 1959. The founder of this company is Mr. UN Mehta and its head office is in Ahmedabad. Unienzyme, Shalcal and Amvoid are some of the biggest selling products of this company. It has been listed amongst top 5 fastest growing companies by Business World magazine in the year 2017. 15,000 employees are working in this company. Number 5. Aurobindo Pharma Limited. On number 5, we are having Aurobindo Pharma Limited. The company is working since 1986. The founders of Aurobindo are Mr. P.V. Ramprasad Reddy and Mr. K. Nityananda Reddy. Its head office is in Hyderabad. Coact, Amoxicillin and Capdenir are some of the biggest selling products of this company. It has been awarded as Company of the Year at the Global Generics and Biosimilar Awards in the year 2019. 21,000 employees are working in this company. Number 4. Cipla Limited. On number 4, we are having Cipla Limited. The company is working since 1935. The founder of Cipla is Dr. Khwaja Abdul Hamid. Its head office is in Mumbai. Nicotex, Copsils and Omnigel are some of the biggest selling products of this company. It has been awarded as Golden Peacock Award for CSR in the year 2019. 24,000 employees are working in this company. Number 3. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories Limited. On number 3, we are having Dr. Reddy's Laboratories Limited. The company is working since 1984. The founder of this company is Dr. K. Anji Reddy and its head office is in Hyderabad. Nice, Stemlo and Omes are some of the biggest selling products of this company. It has been awarded as API Supplier of the Year award at the Global Generics and Biosimilars Awards in the year 2019. 22,000 employees are working in this company. Number 2. Divi's Laboratories Limited. On number 2, we are having Divi's Laboratories Limited. The company is working since 1990. The founder of this company is Dr. Murli K. Divi and its head office is in Hyderabad. Divi's Laboratories does not make medicines, but it produces the ingredients used for making medicines. It has been awarded as May Day Award for Best Management in the year 2018. 12,000 employees are working in this company. Number 1, Sun Pharmaceutical Industries Limited. On number 1, we are having Sun Pharma. The company is working since 1983. The founder of this company is Mr. Dilip Shanghvi and its head office is in Mumbai. Revital, Volini and Pepfis are some of the biggest selling products of this company. It has been awarded as Best CSR Practices Award by the Economic Times in the year 2018. It has been awarded as Best CSR Practices Award by the Economic Times in the year 2018. 33,000 employees are working in this company. Thank you so much for watching my video.